Okay, so if you're at paper mache, you're gonna make your mix, and your mix is just a flour and a water, and it is a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of water, half a cup of flour, and so forth. However, because our project is so small, I'm just gonna go with 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of water, because if I don't have time to finish, I don't want to have to deal with leftover mix, right? So what I'm gonna do in here is just gonna mix a minimal amount, use it up, and then if I have more time, I'll make more. If I don't, I'll just put away, and then I'll come back in next class, right? So all you gotta do now is get a 1/4 cup of flour. I got a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of flour. And the one thing you need to do is make sure that you mix really well, because you do want to have the paste, but you don't want to have a lump. And if the paste is too thick, then just add a little bit more water. So right now it looks like this. So you can see he's very consistent. Okay. So right now it's very, very consistent. I like this paste to be a little more fluid. So I'm going to add a little bit more water, and then I'm just gonna mix it again. Okay, so now I have my mix in here. As you guys can see, it runs a little bit more, like that. So that's perfect for what I'm going to be doing. So I'm gonna put my mix on the side. I'm gonna get my little guy. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do now is this. This is why you guys want newspaper. So if you guys have not saved the newspaper at home, you can do this now. Because now I'm just gonna go and wrap this little guy in paper. So one of the mistakes students will do is that they want to use this whole thing at once, and that's not really a good idea. So the best thing to do in here is just to make small little chunks.